Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in the middle of doing a DIY cocoa bar. This is a really great video today because I'm collaborating with Jessie at home. She has great videos here on YouTube. She does a ton of cleaning motivation, lifestyle, and she has the most amazing Ray Dunn collection you've ever seen in your life. Head on over to her channel. I'm gonna put a link below. She's doing a coffee cocoa bar for you as well. But first I'm gonna show you how I do mine, and this is not just for show. When it gets cold, I have hot chocolate just about every single night, and especially when I'm having guests over, I try to make sure I have everything set up in a corner of my home. For me, hot chocolate means two things. You need really great hot chocolate, and then you need a ton of really fun toppings. So I'm gonna show you how I put it together. Also stay tuned to the end because I have info for you on my 500 subscribers giveaway. I'm going to be giving away something featured in this video, so make sure you keep watching. I'm going to start with a really pretty tray and also a cake stand. I love having a cake stand for something like this because now I have levels. I've got my favorite little cocoa mugs here. They say I Heart Santa. They're from the Dollar Tree last year. I've also got some copper mugs over here for extra. I'm gonna set out a cup of some festive straws. I think straws are great because when you have something like hot cocoa, it's really hot. You can drink it faster with the straws. I've got some candy canes. I've got some sprinkles. These are so festive on the whipped cream. I've got these little candies. I'm gonna put a clip in here with a close-up. They're little cake decorating candies. They're just sugar. They'll dissolve, but these will look so sweet floating on top of the whipped cream. And then here I've made some little snowmen out of marshmallows. How cute are these? You can get these from Williams-Sonoma for, I think they're about $20 for 5, or you can make your own. I'm gonna put a clip here showing you how I made these. I've got some regular marshmallows and I've just cut a line into it. That's going to make it so that I can perch this really cute on the side of my mug. And I'm using just some gel frosting tubes from the grocery store. I did a little line here of red to make the carrot nose. If I had had orange, I would have used orange, but I think red works and it's what I had on hand. And then black, just 2 eyes, and then 2 on the side for the buttons. And then speaking of Williams-Sonoma makes my absolute favorite hot chocolate. I get their regular milk chocolate flavor, but they have a ton of different flavors, as well as the best marshmallows you've ever tasted. These are shaped like snowflakes. They're really, really cute, and this is actually what I'm giving away for my 500 subscriber giveaway, a set of this. All you have to do to be entered to win is make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment below. And like I said, this is really the best hot chocolate ever. And you want to subscribe anyway because I've got way more holiday videos coming up. Put that there. And then, like I said, I'm all about the toppings for hot chocolate. I picked these up on a whim. They're little donut holes with red and green sprinkles. You can see there. A couple weeks ago, we had a guest over who also loves hot chocolate, and he and I made some fabulous hot chocolates, and we ended up putting birthday cake in. So that's when I thought, okay, maybe donuts as well. And then I've also got just some red Oreos. They make really fun flavors and colors for the different holidays, and these look really cute in hot chocolate as well. And that's it. It's a whole corner of my kitchen dedicated to hot chocolate. I'm gonna show you a close-up now so you can really see how everything came together. That is everything. Some of my favorite little hacks to add to your cocoa bar. My daughter is awake from her nap, so I have to go and get her now. Head on over to Jessie's channel, check out her video. Make sure you're subscribed for your chance to win. Thank you so much, everybody who has helped get me to 500 so far. This is going to be the perfect little pick-me-up to enjoy for the afternoon before real bedtime. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.